ज्योती वाकळेच फॅशन टेक्नॉलॉजी यूट्यूब चॅनल आयोजित भव्य राज्यस्तरीय वक्तृत्व स्पर्धा. विषय आहे ITIचे शिक्षण, रोजगाराचे प्रशिक्षण. आपल्यालाही सहभागी व्हायचे असल्यास दिलेल्या मोबाईल नंबरवर संपर्क करू शकता. धन्यवाद.
My name is Sayyid Sumaya Jahasi Rajoddin. I am from Aurangabad. My ma'am name is Surekha Arjun Rao Gharat. My trade name is Information Communication Technology System Maintenance, and my admission is done on 22nd July 2019. Today I am going to give you some information on ITI. Why ITI is important and importance of ITI? Because we should able to know about the technology. Our technology is very important in our day-to-day life. In ITI, we are able to train, we get trained about the we are getting trained on the hardwares and softwares. Hardware means we are able to work on motherboards. If the motherboard gets, we get the train on the mouse, motherboard, speakers. If the default, we can find out with the help of the multimeters. And software is that we can work on the computer. We can be able to make PowerPoint presentations, MS Word, MS Excel presentations, and we can also work on the MS Words, that is on the letters. We can type, we can set the emails. So we can able to work on the hardware and software. This is the importance of the ITI. We get the train on the ITIs, on the basics of these, basic of the computers, basic repairs of these computers, and basic knowledge about the computers. We are able to get the information on the technology of the computer in ITI only. Why we should do ITI? Because we get the training only where that we can able to achieve everything because of the ITI. Because any other where we cannot get any other help things that we get achieved because of the ITI only. We get the basic knowledge only through ITI. ITI is the best things. We can able to do anything with that. With the help of that, no other institute, no other trade, no other things we can able to get identify about their technology. Because information is that we get the information about the computer, basic knowledge we get in the ITI only. After completing the ITI, how we get the jobs? ITI is 2 years trade. After completing ITI, we can do the apprentice. If we do apprentice, we get the idea of the business. And in the apprentice we get the experience certificate. That is very useful for the business. If we get the experience certificate, we get the jobs easily. How to do the business? If we do the apprentice, we get the experience certificate, and we get able to do our own business. We can able to do our own business also. With the help of the ITI, we get the most of information about the trade, about the computer, about the many things. We can open our own institute also. We can get the teachings also. We can teach others also. So with the help of the ITI, we are able to do so many things, and there is so many of vacancy to do the business also and do our own jobs also. We can do business also and jobs also with the help of ITI, with the help of apprentice. We can do in the private sector also and government sector also. We can do the jobs. ITI is very helpful because I am also doing ITI. I am also well trained, not trained, but I am able to train anyone also. Because with whatever information I get, I also want to share everything with others also. I want to tell you, do the ITI, because ITI is very helpful. With the help of these points, I want to tell you the importance of ITI. ITI is very essential in our day-to-day life, because ITI is very essential. because ITI, if we do ITI, we get the jobs easily also. We should able to do our own business also. And I am going to tell you that because of this video I am going to help you, and I want to tell you that because I want, if you want any information through me, thank you.
तुम्हालाही स्पर्धेमध्ये सहभागी व्हायचं असेल तर दिलेल्या नंबरवर संपर्क करा. जर स्पर्धा आवडली असेल तर लाईक, कॉमेंट आणि शेअर करा. धन्यवाद.